Welcome. In this experience, you will first learn how to use an EpiPen injector, then you will apply your knowledge by helping a patient with anaphylaxis. EpiPen is an auto-injector device that contains epinephrine, also known as adrenaline, which is used to treat severe allergic reactions known as anaphylaxis. Anaphylaxis is a potentially life-threatening condition that can occur in response to allergens such as certain foods, insect stings, medications, or other triggers. Signs of anaphylaxis: difficulty breathing, wheezing and cough, swelling of the face and throat, hives, rapid heartbeat, abdominal pain or vomiting, feeling of impending doom. After you have recognized the signs of anaphylaxis, act quickly and call 911. Take the EpiPen out of its protective case. Make sure to hold it by the middle body of the device. Expiration date and liquid window. Check the expiration date on the auto-injector. If the medication is visible, confirm that the liquid is clear and not cloudy. If cloudy, do not use it. How to use EpiPen. Remove the safety cap. The EpiPen has a safety cap covering the needle end. Hold the EpiPen with the orange tip pointing downward and remove the blue safety cap by pulling it straight off. Prepare the injection site. The EpiPen is designed to be injected into the outer thigh. If possible, locate the fleshy area of the outer thigh. It does not matter if the person is wearing clothing, the EpiPen can be used through fabric. Administer the injection. With the orange tip pointing downward, place the EpiPen against the outer thigh at a 90-degree angle to the leg. Press the device firmly against the thigh until it clicks and hold it in place for a few seconds, usually around 3 to 10 seconds. The device will automatically inject the epinephrine. After the injection, remove the EpiPen from the thigh in a straight line. The needle will be retracted into the device, making it safe for disposal. Gently massage the injection site for about 10 seconds to help the epinephrine be absorbed. Adam, a 32-year-old gentleman, has a known allergy to peanuts for which he always carries an EpiPen in his bag. He accidentally consumed some peanuts while eating a carrot cake and is now displaying signs of anaphylaxis. Help Adam recover by calling 911 and administering an EpiPen. Click the button if you recognize the signs. Retrieve the EpiPen from its case. Check the expiration date. Check liquid is clear and not cloudy. Remove the safety cap. Locate the injector to the fleshy area of the right outer thigh. Administer the injection. Massage the injection site. Good job. You have helped Adam alleviate his symptoms.